Artificial intelligence isn't just for tech giants anymore. It's a tool that businesses of all size can use to uncover insight, predict trends, and make smarter decisions, all of which drive growth and revenue. To understand the importance of AI in marketing, we first need to look at how marketing has evolved. Now, did you know that business using AI in the marketing strategy sees an average revenue increase of 41%? That's not a number we can ignore. Welcome to another episode of I Like Marketing. I'm your host, Giuseppe Quarata, business coach, marketing strategy, and founder of the Prestige Evolution System. Here, we challenge the ordinary, dissect the extraordinary, and explore the innovative ways to revolutionize your business. Today, we are tackling one of the most exciting and game-changing topics in modern business, AI-powered marketing. Artificial intelligence isn't just for tech giants anymore. It's a tool that businesses of all size can use to uncover insight, predict trends, and make smarter decisions, all of which drive growth and revenue. If you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer amount of data your business generates or wonder how to compete in a world where decision needs to be both fast and informed, this episode is for you. We're going to cover what AI powered marketing is, how it works, the tools you can start using today, and most importantly, how to align this technology with your vision as a purpose driven entrepreneur. Let's dive right in. Okay, let's start with to understand the importance of AI marketing, we first need to look at how marketing has evolved. In the early days of business, marketing was largely intuition based. You would put up a billboard or run an ad in the paper and hope it resonates with your audience. Over time, we moved to data driven marketing, where metrics like clicks, conversion, and customer demographic gave us clear pictures of what worked. But now we are in the AI powered marketing, where technology doesn't just tell us what happened, it predicts what will happen. AI analyzes vast amounts of data in seconds, identifies patterns we might miss, and provides actionable insight to improve every aspect of your strategy. And I want to add everything, the reason in the beginning of every technology, there was always a transition time that was not super clear. When we started to be able to create the first report and get the first data regarding marketing strategy, that didn't work right away. It took time, and people always, even now, they're still evolving how much data you can get. Then, like AI is just helping that to make it even more precise and faster. Now, did you know that business using AI in the marketing strategy sees an average revenue increase of 41%? That's not a number we can ignore. In Proverbs 3, 13, 14 says, "Blessed are those who find wisdom, those who gain understanding, for she is more profitable than silver and yield better returns than gold." In today's world, AI represents a form of wisdom, and it gives us understanding through the data that gives us. But like any tool, it must be wisely used and with purpose. AI has the power to transform your marketing efforts in ways you might not have imagined. Here are 5 key benefits. Hyper-personalization. AI can analyze customer behavior to deliver a highly personalized experience. For example, platforms like Amazon and Netflix use AI to recommend products or content tailored to your preference. It may apply the same level of personalization to your email campaigns or product recommendation. The result, happier customer, higher conversation rate. And actually, Netflix, funny enough, one of my friends when I was in Zurich here participate to forgot the name, hackathon, I think it's called, like hackathon. Like they write code and everything, and one of the sponsor was Netflix, and the project they had to write was it directed to Netflix to AI code that would automatically. That actually, I don't know if all Netflix use it, but I know that it was going to be used specifically for Switzerland or for things how to predict what could be the next things you like, looking at what movie or what shows you have watched until now. And it's funny that they kind of like they sponsor this competition and to create their own software. But anyway, like saying, and this happened, I would say 6 years ago. Then we like now we are coming to the point as a small business where we understand AI is important, but like a lot of big business have been working on this for long. AI also helps you anticipate trends before they happen. By analyzing historical data, it can predict which products will be in demand or which customer are most likely to make a purchase. And this is is part of predictive analysis. Then we have smarter ad campaigns. Tools like Google Ads and Meta Ads use AI to optimize ad targeting and bidding in real time, ensuring your campaigns reach the right audience in minimal ways. I'm not saying that's perfect yet. I know a lot of people. I know agency that they still use a make a hybrid approach for ads, like they do the old way and the new way. I think like the new way, there is something that works really good. For some business can work really good. For other business might not work really bad, depending. I think specifically what type of people you're trying to reach. Sometimes the AI version might not exactly understand right away what type of people are you reaching, because maybe there are people they engage more for your website, but maybe are not exactly the people you want. And then we have content creation. AI tools like Jasper or WriteSonic can generate blog posts, social media caption, or ad copy, saving you time while maintaining quality. And then we have also enhanced custom support. The AI-powered chatbots can handle inquiries 24/7, providing instant assistance to customers and freeing up your team for more complex tasks. And actually, they work pretty good. They work really good. I've tested some even for ads. AI can increase the conversion rate in ads when people fill out the form. You can have AI responding right away and start the conversation in a way that you start the conversation when warm, they're hot because they already had made at least one choice to fill up the form. And for example, I worked with actually an e-commerce business that struggled to keep up with customer inquiries during peak sales season. And by implementing an AI chatbot, they reduced the response time by 70% and saw a 25% increase in customer satisfaction. Yeah, we were able to respond in 5 minutes. And before it would take like, I had to tell them like, oh, we'll respond you in 24 hours. That's still good, but now with AI, it's not good enough anymore because a lot of big companies are implementing that, and people are getting used to more and more to receive a really fast response on anything they need. If this sounds all excited but overwhelming, don't worry. You don't need to be a tech expert to start using AI in your business. Here are some tools that make it simple. HubSpot CRM, for example, I'm partnering with them, uses AI to segment your audience and recommend personalized campaigns. Actually, the AI in HubSpot does a lot more. You can create posts, you can create caption, you can create even blogs for your website. Then there is Google Analytics for the last one, the new one that was launched this year, I bet last year, but this year was forced to do the change. Provides AI-driven insight about your web traffic and user behavior. And then we have Google Ads Smart Bidding, uses AI to automatically adjust your bids for better ROI. Ad Roll, combine AI with retargeting strategy to recapture lost customers. For content creation, we have software like Canva. It's a powered design suggestion make creating visual and breeze. Jasper, perfect for generating marketing copy and blog posts. We have for customer engagement, we have Drift, an AI-powered chatbot for customer support and lead generation, and there are much more. There is Active Campaign. You can automate personalized emails sequence based on customer behavior. Start small, pick one of them, one tool that aligns with your business goal, and explore its features. There are so many other. They are popping new AI tools there all the time. The important is like don't get overwhelmed, don't try too many. Choose one and become really good in one. One problem with all these choices is that people tend to want to try all of them to see which one works best, but they ended up wasting a lot of their time and resources and don't see any results, because even if it's an AI tools and can make things faster, doesn't mean it's gonna work right away, mostly if you never used it before. Then you have to spend time, use it, and it don't as soon you don't see a result, you just change, because you might be so close to see your first result, and now you have to start from zero again. Also, let's start to talk about common fears and misconceptions surrounding AI in marketing. Will AI replace human creativity? Absolutely not. AI is a tool. It enhances human creativity, but doesn't replace it. You still need to set the vision, develop the strategy, and see the execution. Execution. Again, I heard people say like, "Oh, AI is like your employee, real creative employee." No, it's not. AI takes information that they already created, generated on the internet, and put together. There is no really invention or creativity or like discovery. They don't create something from nothing. It doesn't work like a brain. Okay, human creativity cannot be replaced. And but it's gonna be enhanced. Like means that people with great creativity and that they can know how to use it and show it, they will be the one choose to run behind the eyes. They will be the one choose in business. Then what we need to work in is exactly on work on our creativity. We need to work on knowledge. We need to learn more. Jobs that didn't take high quantity of knowledge now can be taken away by AI. Is AI ethical? AI is only as ethical as the people who use it. Transparency, fairness, and privacy should guide your use of AI in the marketing. Honestly, AI doesn't by itself doesn't make anything ethical. It's all about the people that use it, and that's fine because it's a free resource. Like it should be free to be used. That people can search and do anything they need. But yes, it actually depends how people use it can be more ethical and everything. Because at the end of the day, you train your own AI whenever you start to use. If you use ChatGPT, you're gonna be trained ChatGPT to respond a certain way and focus on a certain topic. Then if you are not ethical, your AI will be not ethical. Is AI too expensive? Not anymore, honestly. Many AI tools are affordable and scalable for small business. In fact, the ROI often justify the investment. Think only just ChatGPT that it's the AI, the OpenAI, like the basic one, it's 20 a month, and the quantity of things you can do there now, it's just amazing, and it's a really small investment. Jason One Fire reminds us if any of you lacks wisdom, you should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will be given to you. If you're unsure about embracing AI, seek wisdom through prayer and counsel. Find people that they know about the technology, that they have been there before even AI was something so cool. I knew AI back from school, and I've seen how everything changed, machine learning and everything else. Then find people like us that know about technology, know how that works. Use it in a ways that honor your values and serve your customers. Now, if you're ready to take the plunge into AI power marketing, here are step by step guides I want to give it to you. Step one, define your goals first. Like we always start there. What do you want to achieve? More leads, better customer retention, higher ROI, clear goals will guide you your AI implementation. Step two would be start on with one area. Again, don't try to overhaul your entire marketing strategy overnight. Start with one area like email automation or targeting and expand as you see results. Step three, monitor and adjust. AI isn't a set it and forget it solution. Regularly review the results and tweak your approach to maximize performance. And finally, step four, combine AI with human insight that because AI provides data and prediction, but your intuition and experience are irreplaceable. Use both to make informed decisions. And then now I want to take a moment to reflect on AI from a spiritual perspective. The Bible teaches us to be good steward of the resource we have, our time, talents, and tools. Exodus 3:1 says there is a time for everything and a season for every activity under the heaven. AI is a part of the tools of this season. When used wisely, it can help us steward our time more effectively, allowing us to focus on the work that truly matters, building relationships, serving our communities, and glorify God through our business. AI can be used for good, and we can do a lot of good things through AI. And not bad tools. It's all about how the user use it. Can become really bad if used bad, but can become really a blessing for not just only yourself, but also your client if used right. AI is no longer the future marketing, it's the present. We are now, we need to understand how to use it. And businesses that harness its power today will be the ones that thrive tomorrow. Here's the action step for this week. Explore one AI tool that aligns with your business goal, test it out, see how it fits, and start leveraging the power of AI to make data-driven decisions. If you're unsure where to start or need guidance, reach out to me, reach out to my team. I will be happy to help you navigate this exciting frontier. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Like Marketing. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share this episode with someone who could benefit from it. Together, let's redefine what it means to succeed in business.